If you've ever wondered how to type in Lucidchart, this quick guide will show you the easiest ways to add text to shapes and create standalone text boxes in just a few seconds. Whether you're building a flowchart, a diagram, or a simple visual plan, knowing how to type properly in Lucidchart makes your work much faster and a lot more professional. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart in your browser and either create a new document or open an existing one. Once your canvas is loaded, the first method is typing directly inside a shape. This is the most common way to add labels in Lucidchart. To do that, go to the left toolbar and drag a shape onto the canvas. You can choose any shape you want, like a rectangle, circle, process box, or decision shape. After the shape appears on your canvas, simply double-click inside it and start typing. In many cases, you can also single-click the shape and begin entering your text right away. Lucidchart will automatically place the text in the center of the shape, which makes your diagram look clean and organized. If you need to edit the text later, just double-click the shape again and type your new wording. This is great for labeling steps, departments, decisions, or any part of your workflow diagram. Now let's move on to the fastest way to create a text box in Lucidchart. Click anywhere on the canvas so Lucidchart knows you want to work on the page, then press the T key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, a standalone text box will appear on your canvas. This is perfect when you want to add notes, headings, annotations, or labels that are not inside a shape. After the text box appears, just click inside it and type your text. You can then move it around, resize it, and position it wherever you want on the page. If you're building a more detailed diagram, this shortcut can save you a lot of time because you don't have to keep searching through menus. One helpful tip is to remember the difference between typing inside a shape and typing in a text box. If you want text to be part of the shape itself, use the double-click method. If you want free-floating text that sits on the canvas, use the T shortcut. That simple distinction makes a big difference when you're organizing your diagram, and if you accidentally click the wrong thing, don't worry. Just click away, select the item again, and continue typing. Lucidchart is designed to be easy to edit, so you can adjust text anytime without starting over. You can also use these methods together. For example, you can type labels inside shapes for your main process, then add extra text boxes for notes, explanations, or instructions around the diagram. That's especially useful for business charts, school projects, team planning, and process documentation. So, to quickly recap, if you want to type in Lucidchart, drag in a shape and double-click it to type inside, or press T on your keyboard to insert a standalone text box on the canvas. These two methods will cover most of the text editing you need in Lucidchart. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.